Hello everyone from the beautiful island of Moorea. Today we are doing a highly popular tour activity, not really a tour, activity today here in Moorea, and we are renting our own car and just doing some of the fun things around the island. This is highly recommended here. There's only one road that goes around. There's a lot of cool public beaches and stops that we've heard about, some tropical gardens, a juice factory, and places of interest like that. So we are really excited, a little nervous because we had to get a manual car because they were all sold out of the automatic already. So we're gonna see where today takes us and where this adventure goes. So let's go explore some of Moorea. Ready to drive stick shift, honey? So I actually do want to mention we were kind of scrambling last minute to find a rental car, so if you are coming here, be sure to just add that onto your itinerary if you know that's something you want to do, and I can help you get that all set. That way you don't have to worry about it once you're here. Really great, they're going to pick us up right in the lobby even with the car, so it's going to be very easy to just jump in the car and go see some of those points of interest that they pointed out to us when we talked to the activities desk this morning at the resort. This island just looks absolutely beautiful and I cannot wait to explore it. Like, look at this. How pretty is this? Thank you, Mauro. Ready to go? Not bad. Alright, so we are currently cruising through Cook's Bay. It's one of the little inlets here on the island. Beautiful, beautiful views. But we are going to make our way to our first stop, which seems to be a tropical garden. And then from there, we are going to climb up the mountain and go to the lookout point. Alright, so we pulled off here at the public beach. It's actually right by where we're staying at the Hill in Moorea, but look at these views. It is just gorgeous here. Okay, so we have made it to the little village area and we have pulled off. We parked just along the side of the road because we found some restaurants and some cute little shops, so we figured we would just explore this area before we go up the mountain and to the lookout points. Alright, we made our way to that little pizzeria. We have a 3-cheese pizza on the way. They gave us some very potent, they said, like olive oil. They were like, be very careful putting this on, it's really strong. What you think, Kenny?
Looks spicy, I guess.
It does look spicy, yeah. We don't have that bad of a view for lunch. Not at all. Yum. Our pizza has arrived and we're gonna dine with a beautiful view. Alright, so lunch was actually really good, but I'm really excited to head to the top of the mountain now and see the beautiful views from up there. We're just walking through a resort actually. The restaurant was like at the end of the pier here at this beautiful resort. Alright, so we should be on the road now that takes us up to the lookout point. At least we are hoping. So, here we go. This will be interesting. You ready?
I'm ready.
Wow, these are just some incredible mountains here. Views. Wow, this is beautiful. Wow, looks like we're going up into like a forest or something here. It's pretty.
Of course, it's jungle.
Well, yeah, jungle, but you know. Shush. Wow, look at this road. Stick shifting it up a mountain. Oh my god, there's somebody on a motorcycle going really fast.
That's not a motorcycle, that's a scooter.
Oh, that's a scooter. Ah, okay. Oh my gosh. yeah, I did get it on here. Oh, jeez, that was scary. Oh, beep your horn. Oh, you're gonna have to beep it again. Alright, we're making our way up this pretty steep road here. We'll see how we go. Oh gosh, I'm scared. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, did we make it? Please just tell me this is it. Oh my gosh, we made it. I am so thankful right now. I'm so thankful right now. We made it. I am so thankful right now that we are to the point where we need to be. That is all. And look at this view. Oh my goodness. All right, I'll show you guys when we get over there and do some nicer shots for you all. All right, we're gonna put her up. See what we get. Putting up the drone. We're making our way back down the mountain from Belvedere Lookout Point. That was beautiful. There was some really good scenery that we could see, and we got some awesome drone shots. And now we're gonna see what we run into next. All right, we have made it to our next stop, which is a juice factory. So we're gonna check this out and see what all is in here. All right, lots of cool stuff in here, but we are going to head to this bar, and I guess we're going to do some tasting. What you think? Thank you. Perfect. Thank you, Mauro. All right, here we go. All right, you can go. Good?
Pretty good, very sweet.
Huh.
It's a very hints of alcohol.
So this one is a banana vanilla. The last one was a flower that is here on the island.
So good.
Ooh, that one's good. This one's my favorite. Oh. Ah. Alright, this one's a vanilla cream. Oh, that's really good. Ooh, incredible. Oh my goodness, that is delicious. So much better than anything we have in the States.
So we use pineapple juice, orange juice, passion fruit, vanilla, and pineapple liquor as alcohol.
Wow. What do you think, Kenny? Taking, you know, like 7 shots in the middle, like really quickly. I know.
Just plastic jugs of rum.
Plastic jugs of rum.
Looks like
can't go wrong.
at Steve's house.
So they actually sell in little kits here everything that we just tried up at the juice bar. So we actually got ourselves a couple because how neat is that? All right, what did we get? We got the goods.
No, really cool.
That was a good stop, right?
This is the first alcoholic drink they made on Moorea.
Oh, cool.
Manufactured here, so really cool.
Sweet.
Well,
That was
probably
fun.
not,
That was a good
probably
stop. Probably moonshine. That was a good little stop.
Really neat.
Yeah, it was really nice. Gorgeous views. As always, this road around Moorea is just beautiful. Whoa, okay. All good?
All good.
Okay. Oh, so pretty. Look at all these. Trying to figure out what our next stop is gonna be. All right, so we went ahead and wrapped up our self-drive island tour of Moorea today. If you guys do it, I would recommend definitely eating before you go. That way it just doesn't take up some of your time. Because there's some public beaches and everything, I would say pack some bags, go swimming, hang out, relax, enjoy, go to the lookout point we went to, definitely hit up the juice factory, and maybe even make it longer and go around the entire island. But overall, we really enjoyed it. We got comfortable with the stick shift, luckily, and we only sold out a few times in the middle of the road in Moorea. Want us to help you plan your dream Tahiti vacation? We are fully licensed and certified to help you plan every detail of your luxury vacation, including resorts, transfers, tours, activities, and so much more. Be sure to visit our website at www.mainstreetandbeyondtravel.com/travel-quote to receive your complimentary travel quote from us, and we'll get started booking and planning your Tahiti vacation today.